Purasolve Brake Cleaner is an ultra-safe, high-tech solvent designed for precision brake cleaning in a variety of industrial applications where a residue-free finish is required. It is the perfect solution for safely and effectively removing brake fluid, grease, oil and other contaminants from brake linings, pads, drums, calipers and more. It easily and quickly removes stubborn soils, even those that have penetrated surfaces. It is ideal for use in heavy industry, workshops and garages, and for any type of vehicle from trucks to prestige cars. The product is also excellent for different applications such as avionic brake and component cleaning, and cleaning motors, switches, relays and other electrical applications. Purasolve Brake Cleaner is slow evaporating, allowing for extended contact time with the surface, resulting in a significant cost saving from the reduced volume of solvent used. Traditional brake cleaners contain chemicals such as tetrachloroethylene, methylene chloride, N-hexane and heptate, all of which pose health and safety risks to people and the environment. Purasolve Brake Cleaner is designed to be a safer alternative to hazardous and dangerous brake cleaners. With this powerful safety solvent, continued use of toxic and hazardous brake cleaners is now unnecessary. With low VOC levels and low vapour pressure, product use is 10 times less than comparative solvents without the dangers of highly toxic exposure. Purasolve Brake Cleaner has very low VOC emissions and is less hazardous waste for disposal. It also has a high flash point, reducing risk for the user and the environment. It contains no offensive odours, providing more pleasant workspaces. It is also non-staining and non-corrosive. Switch to Purasolve Brake Cleaner and say goodbye to traditional products that put your workers at risk. Call us at 1800 777 580 or email us at sales@envirofluid.com for inquiries.